for the following areas in Maine: Central Somerset, Northern Franklin and Northern Oxford, and the following areas in New Hampshire. Clause: the National Weather Service in gray has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Sunday. Locations: the mountains of Maine and New Hampshire. Hazard types: dangerously low wind chill temperatures. Wind chill readings: 30 below to as low as 42 below zero. Timing: tonight into Sunday morning. Impacts: potential frostbite to exposed areas of flesh. Winds: northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures: 10 to 20 below. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken.